The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Your jaw scratch is stiff. Your jaw scratch is stiff like crackers. Your jaw scratch is stiff. Your jaw scratch is stiff.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, I just presented to you a video that is out on social media, and this video shows of a person saying something repeatedly to another person, and what that person had said on social media, some persons find it to be funny, while other persons just find other things to say about it. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I have 4 more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and you can also tell me what you think about the video that I just presented to you and the other videos that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, but before I present those 4 videos to you right about now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to warn you from right now that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, the first video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show off a vehicle that was in motion, and there was one person that was at one of the door of the vehicle that was holding on to the vehicle while parts of his body was outside of the vehicle, and another person was hanging on to the front of the vehicle, and the vehicle was in motion, like I said. Now, viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media where some persons are saying that this is recklessness, and some persons are saying other things. You know what I mean? Like other things as well. Now, I'm going to show you this video so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. But please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Take a look and observe. Well, there you have it, viewers and subscribers, the video that is out on social media that shows off persons hanging off of a vehicle while the vehicle is in motion. Alright. Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present to you another video right about now, and this video is going to show off a police officer saying some things about Jamaica. And what this person that is said to be a police officer had said, some persons on social media agreed with what the person that is said to be a police officer had said, and others had something else to say. You know, now there were other persons seen in the video as well, and I'm going to show you this video so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. Now take a listen, look, and observe.
Control a pressure alone can blood clot around Jamaica. When you're too nicey, you know what? Sorry, ma'am, hello, that them the thing they don't blood clot. So when the government talk about say, come out there and be nice to people. Nice to what? Now no nice.
Well, there you have it, the video that shows up the police officer saying some things about Jamaica. To my understanding, it would seem as if the person is trying to say what is needed to run Jamaica or to make Jamaica a better place. Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, let's move on to the other video right about now. And this video is going to show off 2 persons trying to hurt each other. Now, according to what has been said on social media, is that this had happened in the country of Jamaica, and according to what has been said on social media is that one person had a machete in the hand and the other person had objects in the hands, and it is said that those objects were considered to be stones or so on. Alright, please bear in mind that there might be more information out there about this video, and I'm just explaining to you based on how I understand as to what has been said about this video on social media. Alright, and please bear in mind that there is also a sound in the video that would sound as if a shot had been fired. Alright. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you this video so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. But please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. The video that shows of two persons that were trying to hurt each other. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present to you the final video. And this video is out on social media, and I'm going to explain to you according to how I understand as to what has been said in this video and according to what has been said on social media as well. Now, according to how I understand as to what has been said about this video on social media and according to some of the things that has been seen and said in the video as well, it would seem as if citizens of Jamaica at a certain location, they were arguing with the police officers angrily because of an incident where it is said that a police officer had hit a person. Alright, I don't have any information as to how many times the police officer had hit the person, but however, I'm just explaining to you according to how I understand as to what has been seen and said in the video and according to some of the things that has been said about the video on social media. Alright. Now, this said to have happened in the country of Jamaica, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to show you the video right about now so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. And please bear in mind that some of the languages used in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
Wagwan, my G. Wagwan. Wagwan. Man and police. What? Right in. Shanty 360 in the building, up, gun out. Man run gun a yard. Peter my father. People and family get killed. Them lit the man. Okay, right on camera, so them lit the man.
What happened to the man?
Bad man always shoot people. Hard working man.
Some of them police are weak.
Big man, that's why I'm talking about the man down here. Careful of this them police are going on with, you know. You have a lick a big man and talk about him done lick and them slap. Man don't get lick and a big man will have him pick me. You just beat the man in front of everybody and talk about him just get lick already. A disrespectful something them police go on. Can I be big man and them something there? So them have them gun. He lick the man.
Oh, the boy done get him already.
Mommy. Hold on. Because she know them will kill her son, it real like that. Police to kill you for no reason. So them pull out them gun and them beat people for no reason. She have a reason for ball. So mommy just go in there, then we'll go kill him. I saw them stay there, we'll go kill him. Now we'll go kill him. I'm vicious down here. I'm try him and drive him and go kill him. Everybody know. Up and running. 60 there. Report the injustice and I backs up the people. Big man I backs up the big man. I wonder how man them look for them as gunman and them fight them back as gunman. I wonder why. Them have no respect. You can't box up big man in front of everybody. Then him admit it on camera saying box the man.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on. And you can let me know what you think about what you have seen in these videos and what you have heard in these videos as well. Alright? Yeah, and this is where me leave it, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.